Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am presenter for the 8th International Conference on English Language and Teaching, or I call it 8. The theme, English Language Teaching, a reset in the challenges or possibilities. The title for my article, Cubic Technique, a technique in free writing to improve students' writing skill. The writer for the article, Sohaimi Mukhayyar and Zaim Azwar Ananda. Introduction. Particular in learning English, the students are expected to be able to produce the writing in English. Thus, it needs good effort for teachers and students to improve student writing ability. Based on our experience in teaching writing, it was found that the students deal with some problem in writing. Basically, there are many techniques that can be used by the teachers, of course, in order to help the student to develop the writing skill. Those techniques may be applied in free writing stage, since free writing is the important stage in the writing process. One of those techniques is cubic technique. By applying cubic technique, it can help the writer to tidy the memories and to highlight the details and supporting ideas in developing the writing. The techniques can be applied in free writing state is a part of writing process. Research method. This research concerns on the use of cubic technique to improve student writing skill. This is classroom action research. In this research, it is related to the concept of improving the student writing by the cubic technique. This research was conducted at English Department of IAIN Kerinci or State Islamic Institute of Kerinci. The participants of this research were students in 4A of the 4th semester classes of English Department students of IAIN Kerinci who take Writing 2 course. In this research, there were two types of data, quantitative data and qualitative data. Research result. The distribution for the student score in cycle 1, there are 12 students get score or the 66.67% in the first meeting, and the 4 last meeting, there are 10 students get score or the 55.55% in the last meeting. For the second cycle, the distribution of the score, there are 10 students get score or 55 or 0.55%, and there are 8 students or 44.44% get score the last meeting. And then the recapitulation of the first and the second and the third cycle for the implementation technique. The first cycle, there are 10%, and the second cycle, there are 8%, and the third cycle, there are 10%. A research result, based on data collection, it was found some factors which influence the student writing skill. Those factors include classroom management, teaching and learning time, teaching and learning media, reading material, and learning method. Conclusion of this article depend on the research. Based on the result of the research, the use of cubic technique in free writing stage improved student writing skill. It could be seen that where was the difference in student writing score between cycle 1, cycle 2, and cycle 3. The student could organize and develop their writing systematically through 6 approach of cubic technique. I think that's all my presentation for this article. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ku stop kah? Ya stop. Cuma